I'ma make it burn. I'ma make it burn. Let's go.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Octane Red 392. Hope you guys are enjoying this awesome weekend. And today we're gonna be showing you guys how to get rid of these foggy headlights. This is how one looks already. You see it's clear, and this one not so much. So what we're gonna do is, for this project you need, well, we're using the 3M Headlight Restoration System. This one right here. And we're gonna be using the wall drill for this particular system. They have some you can do with hand or do by hand, but this is the one I saw in the store at AutoZone. So here's your wheel, the attachment for, here's your wheel, here's your wheel, the attachment for the drill goes in right there. This part's adjustable, so you get that in the kit. You get these in the kit, sandpapers and other layers, stuff like that. We're gonna go through all these. And these back in the box so they don't fly away. And you have your restoration cream, your rubbing compound. You have your rubbing and you have your rubbing compound. So looking at the instructions, I've done this before but not with this kit, so I'm gonna actually read the instructions this time. All right, so we have here. 1, prepare the lens and the drill. Clean the lens with soap and water. That's already been done. Then protect trim and painted surfaces. Well, these aren't painted surfaces, but I'm gonna protect this part. I mean, I don't know why, but all right. So, this is 3M tape. So 3M tape, this is 3M headlight. Seems like a match made in heaven, I guess. I don't really know, but anyways, I'll go ahead and get that. There. You said I use 2 layers as well, so hopefully I have enough tape. Gonna treat this as if it was a painted car. So there's that. And this is painter's tape, by the way. One layer is on, and there. There. Little piece right there. Boom. You may have enough tape to do the 2 layers like they recommend. This is so you don't scratch your paint. Being using a power tool, they can be very abrasive if used incorrectly. They could damage your nice paint job. So I'm gonna treat this as if this was my charger. Boom. Boom. All right. So as you can see, that's all taped off. Boom, boom. Okay, now, step 1, clean it with soap. It's already been cleaned. Step 2, tape off, protect the areas. Step 3, the power disconnected. Mount the disc pad holder into the 1200 to 1600 max RPM drill. There you go. So here's our drill. Here's our disc. Oh, wrong way. Here's the disc. This is to remove yellow layer and defects. So now we're going to remove the yellow layers and the defects. So this is the first sandpaper. This is, you can't see it on this one, but it's this paper right here, the yellow, the goldish looking paper. Here, sandpaper. Okay, going in. And it says do not stay in one spot too long, so don't hold it in one spot or you could risk damaging the lens by heating it up and instead it creates smearing that it's hard to eat off. So here. They are completely removed. Before proceeding to step 7, continue sanding. Proceed to step 7 once you have got all of that. All right. As you see, it's all off, smooth. Yep, this one. Oh, there's a little spot right here. All right. All off. Now, all right. So now we're on to step 7. Remove gold disc, attach and center a P800 white disc to the disc pad holder. These are the white discs with purple printing on the back. So now, This is the white this is talking about. Purple printing on the back. See, it says 800. Sorry. And that's how it looks on the front. You can almost see through it. Like, that's how it looks, but you see through it. You see the 800 on the back. So it's to center it. Roll disc. It's centered. And wipe the lens. Notice the scratches are finer. Oh, nope, sorry. Using the medium light pressure. So same thing as you did in step 6. So in a spray bottle, apply enough water to dampen the green and gray disc and the lens surface before sanding. The disc can be used flat against the lens using medium to light pressure. Begin sanding to reduce the P800 grit scratches to gray P3000 grit scratches, and the mist of water to the surface if it becomes dry while sanding. So here we go. Going to right down. With this, I'm gonna reduce the scratches now. on there. Dispense a dime size amount of the 3M rubbing compound. A little notch right here. In the top right of the package is a notch where you can dispense it. It's just an extra pad. It's only one. It comes with two for some reason, but it's only one that has compounding in it. Compound solution. Dime size. Clean up. So do not run the foam pad dry. Alright, so here, to reduce spatter, I'm gonna rub it around. So in this step, we're going to see the cloudy haze. Headlight restoration kits that don't require a drill, but if you have a drill, it just makes it a little bit quicker, because with the hand versions you have to just rub it on there the same way as I was doing it with the drill, and it just takes longer. So this is if you have a drill, it makes it that much quicker to get it done. Thanks for watching this video on how to clear your headlights up. Alright guys, so that was the speeded up version of the rest of the lights. I wanted to show you step by step on the worst light, and then you saw the rest of them came out pretty good. Thanks for watching this video, and as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, here's some more videos you can check out. Before you do that though, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, so this way you're notified when we post out awesome new content. Go Jags!